What's up, everybody? Good morning. No, you are not seeing a mirage. It is the real deal. This is Earl from MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. You are looking at a 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 in Red Tint Metallic with under 200 miles on it. It is 100% available, no waiting. It's a 2LZ package, and it is wicked and fun, and it is available. How's that look? Nice? Amazing car. To not have to wait, that's everything. All the warranty and everything comes with it. We did the waiting, so you don't have to. First one who wants it, please give me a call. It's at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We ship all over the United States. We offer financing if you have good credit, up to 180 months with a minimum down of 10%. It is one amazing driving vehicle that you'll ever own. 2023 Z06 with a 2LZ package in red tint. You ready to hear it? Then I'll go over the basics with y'all. It's pretty much loaded out. I'll have all that information online. And let's take a look. Oh my! You ready? Blast off. Glass top. Well, it's not glass, I think it's plexiglass. That comes off for all the fun in the world. Bose surround sound. Who's gonna be the lucky person? Get a hold of me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl, 773-600-0919. I'll have all the pictures and information on our website, MGMClassicCars.com, where we keep all our vehicles, 250 in stock. Shipping available nationwide. Opened and enclosed. All our photos, descriptions, pricing, and videos will be online as well. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. You could call or text me if you have any questions on quotes on this and anything in our inventory. 773-600-0919. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is one special car that probably won't be around for long. Let's get this home to somebody. MGM Classic Cars, Addison, Illinois. Thanks for spending a few minutes on a hard to come by 2023 Z06. Talk to you soon.